फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू प्रो टैलेंट एंड आई एम नितिन परमार। माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, आपका स्वागत है फॉर दिस स्पेशल सेशन ऑन हाउ टू प्रिपेयर फॉर कैट 2022। दोस्तों, कैट 2021 इज ओवर एंड आई एम श्योर लार्ज नंबर ऑफ यू, दैट इज दो स्टूडेंट्स हु आर इन द प्री फाइनल ईयर, ठीक है, और दोज हु आर थिंकिंग टू टेक ड्रॉप, ठीक है, all of them must be wondering that what do we learn from CAT 2021 and what we can expect in CAT 2022. ठीक है दोस्तों, CAT 2022 will be same as CAT 21 and 22. 21 and 20. No, I believe there will be a lot of changes which will take place. So today I'm going to talk about those changes. I'm also going to talk about what are the learnings. My dear students, it is very important for all of us. Okay, when I am preparing for one competitive examination, I need to know that what happened in the last year. Okay, is there any learning can I get from it? Okay, the third important point is, okay, what are the, you can say, important learnings, okay, for the journey, not just from the exam point of view, but when students are preparing, are they facing certain problems? Can I see what kind of challenges I'm going to face, what kind of hindrances I'm going to face, what kind of obstacles I'm going to face, and am I prepared for, you can say, those hindrances, for those obstacles prior, is the very important part. So my dear students, if you are looking at CAT 2022 preparation, this is very crucial for you to look at this session, because in this session I'm going to talk about all those, you can say important facts. I'm also going to, you can say, destroy those myth related to CAT. Okay, and I'm also going to give you real, you can say, preparation guidelines. Okay, so don't miss out to go through the full video. So my dear students, first and foremost, you can say, whenever someone is preparing for, you can say, CAT, the student will see, oh, what was there in 2020 paper, what was there in 19 paper, and what was there in 21 paper. Was there any change? So let me start with 21 first. 21 paper was of 2 hour, okay, 120 minutes. 120 minutes are divided into, you can say, 3 sections. Okay, this paper was conducted in 3 slots, and each slot had the same type of questions. VARC 24 questions, out of which 16 questions were on RC, 3 questions on jumbled, 2 questions one odd one out, 3 questions on summary of the paragraph. DILR 20 questions. Now that was very different. Okay, that's a unique front. Okay, now why it is unique, you'll get to know in you can say next few minutes. Okay, there are 6 questions, you can say, for 2 sets, so total 12 questions for 2 sets, and 2 questions for 2 sets for 4 questions, that is 8 questions, and 22 questions for your quant. Okay, out of which 8 questions were based on theta, which is you have to type out. Okay, I'm sure all of you must know that CAT exam is an MCQ based exam, but they also try to give you option to fill. Okay, so here the questions here, that is total 8 questions here. Okay, they were theta, 8 questions here were theta. Okay, now due to corona situation, the CAT 2021 and 2020 had, you can say, 120-minute paper. Okay, while 19 remained, you can say, 3-hour paper. So first take from my side on this CAT 2022 is your exam, which is going to take place in the month of November 2022. That exam will be of 3 hours. I believe that is what the CAT will do, because you can say by that time will not have any, you can say, lot of threat of, you can say, pandemic. Anyway, we have been, you can say, in this pandemic for the last 2.5 years. Okay, possibly in the next year will not have, you can say, a lot of challenges. So thereby it is better, it will be easier, and it will be comfortable for CAT to shift to their old pattern. So that has a lot of implications on you. Number one implication for you is you must have a good stamina. So in your preparation, you develop your stamina. Okay, number one. Number two, you can say you have more questions ठीक है. So thereby you have more questions to choose from. So when you have when you are have to make choices that which question to do, which question not to do, ठीक है, that gives you can say a lot of complications. Okay, so here you have to study, you have to prepare yourself to that level as well. Okay, ठीक है, and more importantly it will give you level playing field. Okay, look at this, you can say 21 paper. In 21 paper, you can say this DILR turned out to be manageable for the students. Why? Because you can say there were two sets of 4 questions which were generally easier, on the easier side, while those two sets of 6 questions were generally on the tougher side. One set was very tough, okay, one set was very manageable. So when students have to leave, you can say one set they are feeling comfortable. Okay, but when they are here, you can say in this 2019 paper, and they have some around 6 sets or 8 sets, and they have to leave 2 to 3 sets. It is going to, you can say challenging psychologically. Okay, so those are the factors you are going to fathom in the journey towards your CAT preparation. I believe CAT 2022 will be on this line. Okay, will not be on this line. Okay, will not be on 2021 line, but it will be on the 2019 line. Okay, that's the first, you can say, comment from my side, you can say, on this. Now the second point about the key takeaway from CAT 2021. My dear students, in CAT, throughout you can say their journey for some around more than, you can say, 50 years, they have been, you can say, asking, you can say, this math, because in management world, you can say math is very important. You have to take a lot of decisions purely based on maths, and thereby they want to check your math. Okay, there are so many people who have been telling that look, math have been easy over a period of time, but it is not. Math concepts are always important. Even good quality, you can say, engineering students, they face problem when they are sitting in the examination hall, and an easy question they are not able to solve. Okay, now the major reason why they are not able to solve in that particular time frame is possibly due to concept part, or due to, you can say, their interpretation of you can say question, okay, or they are in pressure, lot of factors. Okay, so thereby you have to train yourself with all these factors, keeping in mind. Okay, you're not simply going and attending, you can say, certain sessions, okay, and when you are, you can say, attending sessions in classrooms, okay, your focus is, oh, sir has given very difficult question, I'm solving that question. No, the point here is, are you always focusing on the concept part of it or not? Okay, do you get your teacher telling you that look, this is a basic concept behind this particular question? That's very important. Okay, good calculation capability. Some of you may be wondering that, sir, CAT is giving us calculator. Yes, CAT gives you calculator. You can't take your physical calculator, but you have a calculator which is basically called virtual calculator. You can use virtual calculator with the use of mouse. Okay, now when you are using it through mouse, it is time consuming. Okay, it takes more time. Okay, and there are a lot of calculations to be done. So you must be good at your tables, you must be good at your division, you must be good at factorization of the numbers. That's very important. At the end of the day, okay, you have to solve, you can say, 34 questions in 1 hour. Solving 34 questions in 1 hour of CAT level becomes really challenging, and attempting some around 32 plus or 30 plus becomes really difficult task. The students who are targeting 99 percentile and above, okay, they must, you can say, develop this capability of speed. Okay, you may wonder that, sir, in 34, you can say, those 60 minutes, we have to do 34 question, average, you can say, 1.8 minutes per question. Isn't it good? Yeah, that is good, but when it comes to reality, okay, I believe you have to have a good speed. Okay, okay, ऊपर से number देखना अच्छा लगता है, but in reality, it's a speed which is needed. Okay, that's very important. Reading is must. I've seen, you can say, many graduate students, okay, when they are, you can say, preparing for CAT like examination, they believe that look, reading is okay. Okay, for me, I have, you can say, I can read it, I can understand the English, okay, I can interpret it. But my dear students, whether your interpretation is appropriate, whether that interpretation is what you can say to the level which is expected from a 99 percentiler, ठीक है, for that you need a lot of efforts, ठीक है. You can't simply use your normal interpretation in the examination level. Examination is you can say checking a student, you can say to the level of IIMs, ठीक है, and thereby they are trying to you can say check your comprehension level. Okay, so here you have to have a good vocab, that's very important. At the same time you have to have good knowledge about you can say varieties of the things. So generally in the CAT you get a passage which is based on theory, okay, there is a theory provided, and then they are asking you to apply that theory into certain situation. So that's what they want to check as a manager. When you are being taught many of the theory, you can say can you apply those theory into a given situation, okay. So because theory cannot be applied blindly, it comes with a lot of conditions. So can you do that? Okay, that's a kind of question they have. They have questions based on philosophy. Okay, so whether do you understand the philosophical aspect? Can you can say go beyond utility, okay, of you can say day to day, you can say practical benefit of certain items, and can you see in a broad way? Okay, can you see you can say through a drone is what they want to check. So that means you must have a knowledge, you must have a skill to understand these aspects. Okay, they are going to pick you, they are going to give you natural science based passages, they are going to give you economics based passages, so you must have a knowledge about those fields. So the idea is a student must have a knowledge you can say of the world around him. Okay, that's very much needed. So student must have read Guardian, okay, The Economist, New York Times, The Hindu, Indian Express, Times of India on a regular basis. If the student is able to do it, wonderful. Okay, the language is sine qua non. Okay, so without which you cannot crack this exam. I've seen many IITians, they are not able to crack CAT primarily because they couldn't do well in the verbal. Okay, very interestingly, when they appear for the CAT and when they come out, and then when I ask them, okay, look, how was your paper? So nobody comes out and say the verbal was very difficult. Nobody says that. Okay, everyone says I attempted at 18, I attempted 22, I attempted 24, 28. That's the kind of number I get. But when it comes to results, when it comes to scores, okay, the English puts them down. You can say many of them are not getting good score in English, okay, because you can say when they are appearing for the paper, they don't know that they don't know. Very simple. You must know that you don't know. Okay? And when you know that you don't know, you will be in a position to put a lot of efforts. Okay? So that's very crucial. You must have a good data analysis capability, complex data analysis capability. So much of data is provided to you, and you should be in a position to look at those conditions, okay, and whether those conditions are, you can say, putting you into a very, you can say, good point. Okay, so whether you will be in a position to reach to a conclusion in a very strong manner, okay, whatever is the data provided, can you reach to that condition, you can say always, or you can say that means it is must be true, or the given statement is could be true based on the given information. Okay, and now that's very interesting. Reasoning capability, data analysis comes with reasoning. Okay, now we are in the reasoning. Okay, here majorly in your DILR the reasoning is deductive reasoning, while here in your RC it is, you can say, inductive reasoning. So both method goes in a very different way. Okay, so you must have that capability. And another capability which you need is a good sitting capability. You must be in a position to sit for a long hours, okay, without taking any break, without getting distracted. So you are appearing for, let's say, a 3-hour paper at home. That's a mock test you are taking at home, and then let's say you take a small break, pausing the test, okay, have a cup of coffee, come back, okay, and then appearing for it, okay, then you had some, let's say your stomach is calling you, then you go and have some food, okay, or you have a natural call and you go. Now those kind of things you are doing, possibly it is not going to be very useful to you. You have to be very disciplined from day one, that look, I have to, you can say, appear for this exam, that is CAT, which requires long sitting hours. I will sit for long hours. Okay, that's very important. and I will not take break. I will appear, you can say, for 3 hours just like an examination. Okay, I'm telling you every time it's a 3 hour paper because I believe now in 2022 we will not have a lot of problem from corona, and thereby you can say we will be in a position to go for 3 hour paper just like 2019 paper. So this were the, you can say, key takeaway. Now the another question that, look, you can say everyone knows how to prepare for CAT, and more importantly we all are, you can say, graduate students. Okay, now that's where the key important point comes. All of us are a graduate student, all of us have learned a lot of skills, and all of us have understood that on what ground we can evaluate certain thing is positive, negative, certain thing is good or bad. That analysis all of us have developed. But still it is only those top 1% of students, okay, that matters in the CAT. Now why it is so special? Why, you can say, any graduate student is not able to reach to that level? My dear students, okay, I'm sure, you can say, many of you, those who have appeared for CAT 2021, okay, they must have experienced this feeling. Look, I know everything about how to prepare for CAT. Okay, I'm sure, you can say, many of your teachers in your coaching institute, you can say, maybe you can say 60 percentiler, 70 percentiler, okay, overall, and they may be good in one of the section and they are teaching that one section. Okay, but overall they are not good. Okay, overall they are not scoring well in the CAT. Okay, they are not in that top 1 percentile group. Okay, now why? The point is, the people, okay, the graduate students and including those teachers, they believe that, look, we know a lot of things, okay, but in reality, okay, they don't change, you can say, their knowledge, okay, as per the new requirement, as per the new changes in the exam. Okay, so thereby the interesting thing is, you can say, they believe we have all the information, okay, we have all the knowledge available. Now that's where they are getting into trouble. Anyone who comes with half glass full, you can say, cannot take more content in it. Okay, you should come with an empty glass. Okay, you should be able to unlearn whatever you have learned so far, and you should be in a position to relearn new things. That's very important. Okay, I hope you understand this. Okay, so top 1% of the students are those students who are very fast to learn, unlearn, and relearn. They don't put a kind of, you can say, blockages in their mind. Okay, but obviously those top 1% of students are able to do this. Now why there is a difference? The difference is, one, in the mindset, two, in the preparation level, that is level of yourself. Okay, whether you come with an, you can say, mindset of achieving that excellence, if yes, then good. Okay, then you are looking at, you can say, the CAT, you are looking at IIM, and those excellence wala crowd kya hota hai? The excellence wala crowd is that guy, you can say, who is putting regular effort on a consistent basis. That person knows how to do course correction. Okay, he's not going by one static preparation in mind. Okay, just like, for example, let's say unforeseen circumstances which we as a world faced in corona, you must have seen how the different course correction techniques taken by varieties of the government. Okay, and same is the case for you. You can't, you can say, consistently, you can say, do one thing कि यही मैं करता जाऊंगा, अपने आप मेरा काम हो जाएगा. So I will follow, you can say, one book जो market में मिलती है, ठीक है ना, I will take that book, I will solve those questions, I complete it, and thereby I believe my, you can say, preparation is done. Now that's not the right way. Okay, that's not the right way. Okay, you have to, you can say, complete a particular module. Okay, and then you have to see whether that module has given you right input. That's very important. Okay, so you must, you can say, come out, you can say, of your, you can say, closet. You have to come out from your, you can say, comfort zone, and you have to, you can say, take up some rigorous, you can say, very hard, very challenging, and you can say very demanding modules. That's very important. Okay, many of you are going to do the same thing at a very later stage. That is, the November examination may come and you may start preparing well for that in the month of September or October. and then you will realize that those 2 months were not sufficient for you. So keep that in mind. Okay, if you pursue excellence from your heart, you want to improve your own capability, you want to reach to that top ranks, okay, then possibly you are on a right track. You have a growth mindset, okay, you come with a right capability, you identify that what are the kind of weak areas in you, and you start improving on it. You look at your strong areas, you cash on it. Those factors will start coming to you in your mind. So my dear students, what are the important factors to keep in mind? Few important points, okay. Let me talk about 3 important points on the CAT front, okay. From day one you must have this in mind. One, CAT is a timed test. Okay, it is, you can say, the test to be done in within a time. Okay, so that means you can say you have to practice every time, keeping in clock in mind. So you keep a watch in front of you and you solve the questions. You don't solve questions at least. Okay, so that's number one. If you are not going to do this from day one, okay, possibly you can say call me in the month of September 2022 and you can say confess. Okay, okay. Number two, CAT is a computer based test. Okay, and thereby you must have a good, you can say, screen reading capability at a stretch for a long period of time. Okay, you should read a lot of things on a computer, not on the, you can say, small screen like a phone. Okay, so when you see like this, it is different. When you see like this, your brain reacts in a different way. Okay, so most of the commerce and arts background students are not very comfortable in terms of reading it consistently. Okay, so please make sure that you practice on it. And CAT is a test of accuracy. Okay, it is not a test of attempting more. It is going to, you can say, put you in a big way. 2 ways it is going to create trouble to you. One is you are, let's say, not getting right answer. They are going to deduct 1/3 marks. 33.33% deduction, negative mark, is huge for any exam. Okay, so this is huge. Number one. Number two, you wasted your time. So it's a double-edged sword. When accuracy is not good, it is going to hurt you in 2 ways. One, it is going to give you negative, and it is going to consume your time. Okay, so my dear students, okay, make sure that from day one you focus on accuracy. Okay, I've seen many students when they are preparing, okay, when they are doing few steps and then after this step they know that they are going to get the answer, they don't go further. Okay, they don't go further and they say answer आ जाएगा, they seen पीछे answer ये है तो mark कर दिया and they say वो आता है. ठीक है, that's bad. Okay, that's not right. Until unless आपके पास आखिरी तक आंसर नहीं आता है, ठीक है, जो स्कूल में सिखा था, ठीक है, कि भैया जब तक फाइनल आंसर नहीं आता है वो आंसर है ना, ऐसे करके दिस इज आंसर, ऐसे करके आप लिखते थे और उसका मार्क्स मिलता था. तो एग्जैक्टली दैट इज व्हाट नीडेड. ओके, चलिए ग्रेट. दोस्तों, क्या क्या सक्सेस फैक्टर्स आपको मदद करेंगे इस एग्जाम में, ठीक है, एंड देन आई विल गिव यू अ काइंड ऑफ प्लान कि क्या चीज आपको करनी चाहिए. ठीक है, सो वन, स्ट्रॉन्ग कॉम्प्रिहेंशन स्किल मस्ट. ठीक है, द कॉम्प्रिहेंशन स्किल रिक्वायर्स 3 थिंग्स: vocab, grammar and logic. Okay, ठीक है, it's a mix of all 3. You cannot learn, you can say, comprehension by only looking at okay, I'll read something and I'll get to know that. No, you have to develop that capability. Okay, ठीक है, and now that is developed through vocab, grammar, logic. इनसे develop होता है. Then pursuing a long and fluctuating journey of the preparation. Yes, you can say it's not, you can say you decided like that I will start preparing for CAT and you join some course and then you say it's done. No, in fact, you know, the journey is very fluctuating. है ना, it's very fluctuating. You may मतलब possibly at 0 and your confidence level will be very high and then you will go very down, your scores are not getting good way, then वापस ऐसे थोड़ा थोड़ा fluctuation होगा, ठीक है, improve होगा. Many people are not able to manage themselves at this level. ठीक है, they give up. They get a lot of emotional points. कि look, your 10th, 12th are not good, you will not get IIM Ahmedabad call. So that by you say, oh, मेरा तो सपना IIM Ahmedabad था, तो अब मैं तो जा नहीं पाऊंगा. ठीक है भाई, सपना IIM Ahmedabad नहीं होता है. सपना होता है MBA का डिग्री, and that too in a good corporate, you can say, way. So मतलब you understand, कभी भी a company, कभी भी a college may not be your dream. It is the journey which is very important. उस जर्नी को कैसे मैनेज करोगे, that's very important. Quant, very important skill. ठीक है, anyone who's not good at quant and says I want to crack you can say CAT, not done. Okay, so quant is important, but look at this. I started with a comprehension skill. Okay, so that's very important. The order is important. Okay, then your strong reasoning ability, very important. Okay, so these are the 4 skills are very important for you. Okay, before you can say you jump to you can say thinking about कि भैया मैं you can say कैट फोड़ दूंगा और you can say मैं कैट में अच्छे मार्क्स लेकर आऊंगा, मुझे क्या गोल रखना चाहिए कैट के मार्क्स का. ठीक है, ये सब सवालों के पहले you must know that the skills whether you are developed in a right framework or not. ठीक है, now comes a very scientific approach towards preparing for CAT 2022. Now why I am saying scientific approach? Because it is based on a logic, it is based on the proven parameter, it is empirical. Okay, based on you can say so many years of teaching students in this method, we realize that this is how the students are able to progress. Pehla is acquaint. That's a phase 1. Okay, you acquaint yourself. You see that whether you are comfortable with this topic or not. You complete all your syllabus. Okay, all topics are done with you. You are able to solve 100 or 50 questions per topic. That's very important. Okay, then comes acquire. Now what is acquire? You acquire speed and accuracy. Once you have fundamentals with you, okay, then you acquire speed and accuracy. And the third is, you can say, you accelerate. Okay, so these are the acquaint, acquire, accelerate, 3A formula. Okay, keep this 3A formula just in front of your table wherever you are, you can say, studying for your CAT. Please put it there. Okay, and keep a timeline. For example, this is, you can say, phase 1 acquaint is 3 to 4 months. You can say not more than that. You complete full syllabus for your CAT. Solve at least 100 questions per topic. Okay, from every topic of CAT, for quant, LRDI. Okay, verbal, do it. Cover at least 1000 words. Okay, you must complete vocab. Yes, vocab is important. Okay, you must study that. Okay, develop a good reading habit of reading newspaper on a daily basis. Okay, that's very important. Okay, solve, you can say 500 plus RC questions. Practice your stamina, that can you sit for long hours or not. That's phase 1. Then comes phase 2, acquire. Now that will last for 3 to 4 months. Okay, you spend daily 3 hours, take 25 minutes, minimum 25 sectional tests, not minute. Okay, analyze each sectional test. Sectional tests are the wonderful way to identify whether my concepts are appropriate or not, whether whatever the theory, whatever the concepts, okay, I have done, okay, whether I am able to apply, whether my application mindset is right or not. That's very important. Okay, you identify your weak area, you improve on it. You work on your decision making skill. That means you identify how do you think about a particular question, what was there in your process, in your mind, okay, which you can say side you went for, why did you go for that, what is your thought process, what is your reasoning. That capability is what you have to focus on. Practice different varieties of the questions, okay, and improve your stamina. Sit for 3 hours. Okay, we don't know whether 22 paper will be of 2 hours. My hunch is it is going to be 3 hours. Okay, so thereby you must focus on your ability to sit for 3 hours and more. And remember, if it is a 3 hour exam, you are going to be on your toes for 5 hours. You will leave, you can say, possibly, you can say, some around 2 hours before or 2.5 hours before, and then you enter, you can say, an hour before the center, and then you sit in the room. Malab, that's a long hours. So daily 5 to 6 hours, 25 mocks minimum. Okay, analyze the mocks. Okay, take a lot of mocks, analyze them, keep data ready with you with every section, number of right, number of wrong, topic wise, that which questions I'm getting right, which questions I'm getting wrong. You may feel that look, I'm good at arithmetic, but the real mock data tells you that in majority of arithmetic question, your accuracy level is not good, or you are taking a lot of more time. Okay, so you have to analyze from time taken, from the perspective of you can say the number of questions being solved. That's very important. So those analysis will be needed. However, I'm going to explain all this thing as and when the phase is going to come. But at this phase, you must know so that you have a mindset that look, I am going to be ready for this particular exam. So overall, you can say, I must tell you that 3 crucial things which you need for your CAT preparation, that is CAT 2022 preparation now, is a good quality practice study material. My dear students, you can take Pro Talent's study material. We have done wonderfully well with the study material. Okay, you can very well purchase that. Okay, those students who are not, you can say, thinking about कि नहीं purchase करना है, we want to do it something else. Your choice, no problem. I'm not saying that our, you can say, material is way different than the other material. Okay, conceptually in the phase 1, okay, we are definitely very different. Okay, we ensure that the phase 1, that is your acquiring part, goes in a very wonderful manner, so that in the next 2 stages you are well. Okay, online tests must. Okay, Pro Talent has a wonderful test series. Okay, our test series, you can say, starts quite early by January. Okay, we start January to December. Okay, so that's the way it is wonderful, and our test series comes with a lot of detailed analysis. Okay, and these are important point. So in case you are interested to join Pro Talent courses, whether you want to purchase our study material or you want to come and join our online, you can say, courses. Our online courses are starting very soon. Okay, you can very well join that. You want, you can say, our test series. Okay, feel free and join it. Okay, you can join our Telegram channel where we provide a lot of free content. There is already a lot of free content available. Please go through that. Okay, and you can join our course. I'm going to put a description and the link for a direct purchase of the course, okay, of Pro Talent for CAT 2022. Feel free and join us. Okay, and another important point, in case, you can say, by going through this particular module, you have certain questions in mind and you want to talk to me on that. Okay, put that into comment box, the number 1. Okay, that's very important. Okay, put your question in the you can say, comment box. Okay, and send an email with your mobile number on protalentoffice@gmail.com. Send an email, okay, with your phone number. Okay, we are going to make a call to you and we are going to discuss your problem. Okay, I hope it is very clear. Great. So my dear students, if you have gained some benefit of this module, okay, don't miss out to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and tell to large number of people to be part of Pro Talent. Thank you for coming here and watching this, and all the best for your journey for CAT 2022.